i35equipment.com. Today we're in a New Holland C327 tracked compact loader equipped with the hydraulic quick attach system. I'll be going through the system with you on how to unlock the hydraulic quick attach so you can change out buckets. Pretty easy. We've already got the engine started. We pushed the operate button there, so we are in unlocked and ready to go mode. We're just going to go ahead and go through what it takes to unlock the quick attach. What you got to do here is get these pins to go up, and when that red is showing, that means it's unlocked. We're going to press this button. Sorry, zoom out here a little bit. Press this unlock button while curling. If you continue to curl it, they will go up and down. You're just going to stop when it is fully in the unlocked position. So just bear with me. It takes two hands. Unlock and then curling the bucket up, you'll see these pins come up. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit for you. So, you see our pins are showing red. That means you're unlocked. We're going to zoom out just a little bit, and we're going to tip it down and scoop out of it. You see, we are completely unhooked right now. Just going to back up to show you that. That's about it. To come back into it, you're going to attach to, or come up to your bucket. You're going to scoop underneath that plate. As you pick up and get that situated. There we go. When you full curl, those sticks go back down. If you completely lift it, make sure nobody's around you, right, for safety. Slowly unfurl. You can actually see that the teeth are locked into the tab where they're supposed to be at. Let me zoom in a little more. You might be able to see that is a tooth coming down from the locking pin and a tooth coming down from the locking pin. I'm just going to try and point at it just right there is what we're looking at. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video is beneficial to you. As always, be sure to consult your operator's manual. Be safe. Make sure you're aware of all your surroundings. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope the video is beneficial to you. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory, consignment, equipment attachments, and more online at i35equipment.com. Have a great day.